Okay, let's do a factory reset on this Shock Freedom Turbo smartphone from Target, and the phone must have at least 35% of battery. I hope this will let me do a factory reset. And in case that you forget your password, pattern, or PIN blocking the screen of the phone, please open the link of a video on the description of this item. Just open the link on another video called Hard Reset Shock Freedom Turbo, and that's how to remove lock screen if in case that you forgot your lock screen and Google blocking the screen of the phone. Okay, so this is basically just to delete all information stored in the phone, like pictures, videos, contacts, emails, email addresses, passwords, web history, contacts, text messages, and just clean up a memory. Okay, delete everything. And it is very important that you know your Google account, like password and email address, because after the factory reset you need to confirm Google, verify Google already registered on this phone in order to proceed and get to the home screen. Okay, if you fail to confirm Google, you won't be able to get to home screen. So please make sure that you know that information. And if you are ready, we're gonna start. Let's go to settings, and on settings we're gonna scroll and find, okay, backup and reset. Backup and reset, just open this, and on Google or accounts right here, that's where your email address has to know. Okay, that's the email address that you need to know the password in order to proceed. Okay, and so if you have that account, just go back up and reset. Go to factory data reset and reset phone. We already went through that. Everything's gonna be deleted, and you won't be able to retrieve information. Okay, and remove external memory card to save some files stored on your external memory card. So when you're ready, hit reset button, and if you have a lock screen, password, pattern, or PIN, they're gonna request you to confirm that, and then you're gonna see the erase everything button. Confirm, just touch that, and your phone will reboot at this point. Okay, so here is where you have to wait at least 5 to 8 minutes for the phone to start reboot session. And right there, erasing. And after erasing, you're gonna take 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, so just be patient. Stay there until you get to initial setup screen when you have to confirm, I mean, register your language, email, and so on. Okay, so um, all right, then. Okay, so just in case that your phone gets stuck on the Shock logo or Android package or anything that gets stuck on the phone, and after 8 minutes you won't be able to get to the initial setup screen, then that means something is wrong with the motherboard. If that is the case, just really remove the battery, wait 10 seconds, and then put it back in, and open the link on this video description. That's the hard reset, how to factory reset this phone using external buttons. Okay, the volume up and power key, because then that means that the motherboard of this phone has to calibrate. Sometimes we fail to reboot phone at least 3 times a month, and we download a lot of applications, or we delete a lot of information or web history, and we fail to reboot the phone. That's when the motherboard sometimes get stuck on many issues. So one of the best thing to solve that problem is a hard reset using external keys. Okay, and also if you experience a lot of drop calls or your phone just go off at any time, then that means that the motherboard is the one that has issue with. Okay, so we are on the initial setup screen. Let's touch this language session, and here is where languages that you can use on this phone are showing. So just go slowly or pause this video so you can check out any of the languages that you can use